Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss joint probability distribution problems. Okay. Then we start the problem. Suppose capital X and capital Y are independent random variable with the following respective distribution. Following respective distribution. Find the joint probability distribution of capital X and capital Y. Also verify that covariance of xy is equal to x comma y is equal to 0. Then marginal distribution is given here. Xi f of xi 1, 2, yj g of yj minus 2, 5, 8, minus 2, 5, 8. Okay, here f of xi is 0.7, 0.3. G of yj is 0.3, 0.5, 0.2. Okay, in this problem, marginal distribution is given. Observe here, marginal distribution is given. Okay, it's not given. Okay, we need to find the J12, J13. Okay, J1, J21, J22, J33. We need to find. Okay, then in problem 1, given the condition, find the joint probability distribution of x and y. Also verify covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. And capital X and Y are independent random variables. Okay, means independent random variables means f of xi into g of yj is equal to jij. Okay, so here suppose in problem only is mentioned capital X and capital Y are independent random variables. Here suppose capital X and capital Y are independent, the joint probability distribution f of x comma y is obtained by using definition f of xi into g of yj is equal to jij. Okay, then observe here, we have to construct the table here. y1 is marginal distribution here. Observe here, x1, here this is x1, this is x1, this is x2, this is y1 and y2 and y3. Okay, in row wise, here observe here, in row wise we are writing y values. y1 is equal to -2, y2 is equal to 5, y3 is equal to 8. Okay, then column wise we are writing x1, x values, x1, okay, x2, okay, here x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 2. x2 is equal to 2. Then g of yj, okay, here f of xi, this is f of xi, okay, f of xi and g of yj is given, means f of x1 is given, f of x2 is also given, f of x3 is also given. Observe the problem. Observe, this is f of x1, this one is f of x2, okay, then this one is g of y1, g of 0.5 is g of y2, then this is g of y3, okay. Then f of x1 is what? According to this problem, f of x1 is 0.7, f of x2 is 0.3, then g of y1 is observe g of y1 is 0.3, 0.5 and 0.2. G of y1 is 0.3, g of y2 is 0.5, g of y3 is 0.2. Then add it this one, 0.3 plus 0.5 plus 0.2 will get 1. Add it row wise. Observe here, 0.3 plus 0.5 plus 0.2. Add it 3, 5, 8, 2 is 1. Okay. Here also add it 0.7 plus 0.3. We are getting 1. This is 1. Okay. Then observe here. We need to find the J11, J12. This is J11, J12, J13. This is J21, J22, J23. Okay, J21, J22, J23. Next, J11. Okay, J11 is what? F of x1 into G of y1. Okay, f of x1. F of x1 is what? 0.7. And G of y1 is, this is G of y1. Okay, this is G of y2. This is G of y3. F of x1 is 0.7. G of y1 is 0.3. Means 7 into 3 is 0.21. Means 0.21. Similarly, we need to find J12. J12 is f of x1 into g of y2. F of x1, okay, means 0.7. G of y2 is 0.5. Okay, 0.7 into 0.5 is 0.35. 0.35. The next, J13. Okay, f of x1 into g of y3. F of x3 is, here f of x1 is 0.7. The f of g of y3 is 0.2. 0.7 into 0.2 is 0.14. 0.14. Similarly, okay, observe the table. We just found J11, J12, J13. Now we are going to find J21, J22, J23. Okay, then how to find the J21? Very simple. J21 is f of x2 into g of y1. Okay, f of x2 is what? According to this problem, f of x2 is 0.3. Okay, 0.3. G of y1 is 0.3. Okay, 0.3 into 0.3 is what here? 0.9. 0.3 into 0.3 is 0.09. Then J23 means f of x2 into J22, f of x2 into g of y2, f of x2 is 0.3, g of y2 is 0.5. 0.3 into 0.5 is 0.01, 0.15, okay, 0.15. Then next to J23 means f of x2 into g of y3, f of x2, say f of x2 is what here, 0.3, g of y3 is here 0.2, 0.3 into 0.2 is 0.02, 0.06. Then the joint probability distribution, table is as follows. Table is as follows. Okay. Okay, here x, y, here y value, y1 is minus 2, y2 is 5, y3 is 8, this is f of xi. Then we have to write it here x values, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, and g of yj. Okay, here j11 value just now we found now. J11 observe here. J11 is 0.21. J11 is 0.21. Write down here 0.21. This is J12. J12 is 0.35. J13 is 0.14. F of x1 is 0.7. This is J21. J21 is 0.09. J22 is 0.15. J23 is 0.06. Okay, f of x is 0.3, and g of yj is 0.3 and 0.5 and 0.2. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 1. 0.7 and 0.7 plus 0.3 is 1. Then next, covariance of x comma y is equal to expectation of xy minus mu x into mu y. Okay, we need to find, just now we found j11, j12, j13, j21, j22, j23. Okay, in this problem we have to find the covariance of x comma y. Covariance of x comma y formula, e of x comma y minus mu of x into mu of y. Okay, we need to find mu of x first. Mu of x is nothing but expectation of x. Expectation of x formula, summation of xi into f of xi is equal to x1 into f of x1 plus x2 into f of x2. Okay, then x1 is what here? x1 is 1 and f of x1 is, observe here, we have to observe the marginal distribution. This is x1 is 1, f of x1 is 0.7. Okay, here 0.7 plus x2 is observe here, this is also x2. x2 is equal to 2. Okay, f of x2 is 0.3. f of x2 is 0.3. x2 is 2. f of x is 0.3. Means 0.7 plus 0.6. Okay, add it, you will get it 1.3. Similarly, we need to find expectation of y. P of y is equal to summation of yi, g of yj, g of yj. Okay, means y1 into g of y1 plus y2 into g of y2 plus y3 into g of y3. Okay, then y1 values. Y1 values what here? Y values is minus 2, 5 and 8. Okay, means y1 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to 5 and y3 is equal to 8. Okay, y1 is minus 2 into g of y1. Observe here, this is g of y1, this is g of y1. Okay, this is g of y2, this is g of y3. Okay, minus 2 into 0.3 plus 5 into 0.5 plus y3 is 8. 8 into g of y3 is 0.2. 0.2. Okay, what will we get here? Minus 2 into 0.3 is minus 0.6 plus 0.5 into 0.5 0.25 0.25 plus 8 into 0.2 is 0.16. Add 0.6 plus 0.25 plus 0.16, 3.5. Okay, then observe the formula covariance of x comma y. We need to find the e of xy. We need to find the e of xy. Okay, expectation of xy. Expectation of xy is equal to summation of xi into yj into jij. Okay, means x1 into y1 ji1 j11 plus x1 into y2 j12 x1 into y3 j13 plus x2 into y1 j21 plus x2 into y2 j22 plus x2 into y3 j23. Okay, here x1 value is what here? 2 and y1 value is what? Y1 value here x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 2 and j21 is 0.21 plus x1 is 1, y2 is 5 and j12 is 0.35 plus x1, here x1 is 1, y3 is 8, j13 is 0.14. Okay, then next x2 is plus 2, y1 is minus 2, j21 is 0.09 plus x2 is 2, y2 is 5, then j22 is 0.15 plus x2 is 2, y3 is 8 and j23 is 0.06. Okay, add it, simplify here. 2 into minus 2 into 0.21 is minus 0.42 plus 1 into 5 into 0.35 is 1.75 plus 1 into 2 into 0.14 is 1.12. The next 2 into minus 2 into 0.09 is minus 0.36. Then 2 into 5 into 0.15 is plus 1.5 plus 2 into 8 into 0.06 is 0.96. Okay, add it, you will get it here 4.55. Okay, then covariance of x comma y is equal to expectation of xy minus mu x into mu y. Okay, substitute expectation of x comma y is 4.55 minus mu x. Okay, mu x is nothing but here 1.3, mu y is 3.5. Okay, 1.3 into 3.5. Then simplify, you get it 0. Okay, means 4.55. Multiply, you will get it here 4.55. This is 0. Okay. Then covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. Then means here the covariance of x comma y is equal to 0 means x and y are independent variables. Okay. Covariance of x comma y is for independent random variables x and y. Okay, is verified. Is verified. Okay. Then this problem is completed.